just thinking about taking care of the ball and running time off of that clock, because they're pressed, they have fast guards. I got back to him one time in a critical moment, and after that it's just like we just have to take care of the ball, make plays when we need, and stop them on defense, and in the end, guys got it done.
Johnny said y'all would have to win games that people thought you couldn't win. You think this was one of those tonight? Probably a lot of people thought you couldn't win, especially after Saturday.
Maybe after the A&M loss, but everybody knows it's hard to come in here and get a win, and so there's probably some doubters, but I know there's a lot of diehard fans that knew that we could do this.